Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. So the number one way would be to buy properties. Buying properties is one of the best ways to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go, because when you buy a property you will start collecting rent from other players who land on it. Next up, you want to upgrade your properties. You can upgrade your properties to increase the rent that you collect from others, and this is another great way to make more money and to increase your net worth. You should build houses and hotels because you can build these on properties to increase the rent that you can collect from others. You can complete challenges. There are a variety of challenges that you can complete to earn rewards, including money. These challenges are not usually very difficult to complete, so you should be able to complete them every day. You want to win games because winning games is a great way to earn money and increasing your net worth, since the more games you win, the more money you will earn. You want to play with friends because they can help you win money, because they can help you win more games and earn more money. And finally, you want to use power-ups because power-ups give you a temporary advantage in the game, such as the ability to roll doubles or to collect extra money. Power-ups can be purchased with in-game currency or, if you would like, real money. Now, a few extra tips I'd say is to be patient. Increasing your net worth takes time and effort. Don't expect to become wealthy overnight. Just keep playing and eventually you will reach your goal. Don't be afraid to take risks. Sometimes you need to take risks in order to increase your net worth. If you're always playing it safe, you'll never reach your full potential. And finally, you want to have fun. Monopoly Go is a game, so you want to make sure you're having fun. If you're not having fun, you're less likely to stick around with it, and you won't be able to increase your net worth if you quit. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.